Good morning everyone, so today is the big day. It's August 20th at about 7:40 a.m. and I'm out to go get some coffee because I already shipped my coffee machine, so I cannot do any cool B-roll montage of making coffee. I'm also going to go get some breakfast for my family and we're leaving in just about 2 hours, so it's super exciting. So yeah, let's go get that and we're going to be heading out to the airport right afterwards. For those wondering, we're fully vaccinated and we did some at-home tests that were pretty cool. It took about 20 minutes and we got our results being negative for both me and my mom that's going to be traveling with me today. So yeah, we're all ready to go on the plane and it should be a safe flight if everything goes as planned. Okay, for those wondering which camera I'm going to be using to film this travel, it's actually going to be my DJI Pocket 2 and my Google Pixel 4 because I want some small portable cameras I can easily use, and I'm leaving everything fully automatic on both cameras because I don't want to have to think about changing ND filters or things like that. Traveling is already stressful enough. I don't want to add another layer of stress by having to think about filters and things like that.
Je teste ici que qui était prête la première, aujourd'hui c'est maman. Tout le monde avait le goût de le voir partir.
Je peux pas faire une vidéo avec maman. Bye! Okay, so we are now the next morning, August 21st, and our flight went pretty well yesterday, but it arrived a little bit late. There was just a slight delay. So we arrived here around midnight local time, which is about 3 a.m. our time. So we were really tired, so that's why I didn't film too much. But this morning, in about an hour, we're gonna go get the car. Then we're gonna go visit my apartment, and I'm super excited to see my apartment in person. And the next thing we're gonna do is go head out and go start buying things for the apartment. So these are stencils and everything, dishes or anything else that is very important just to get started with the apartment. Okay, so shopping for most of my most essential thing is actually done. So that's pretty great that we got that done the first day. Tomorrow it's more going to be starting to shopping for some furniture and things like that. So right now there's no furniture at all in my home. We only have some air mattresses to sleep for this night. So we're going to go and look at that tomorrow. I was supposed to receive a mattress today, but there was a problem with UPS, so I didn't get it in the end. But yeah, so we're gonna see all of that tomorrow. But for now I have to bring everything up. I'm on the 3rd floor, so that's gonna be quite a lot of big exercise to bring everything up stairs. So let's do it. I got my last little item and it's some cereal for tomorrow morning. Pretty excited because I'm getting pretty tired of going up and down the stairs. Okay, so day 2 is basically done. I'm gonna go and blow my air mattress so I can go to sleep because I'm getting pretty tired. I just installed the internet and it was actually pretty crazy how easy it was to install. I just followed a few steps on the app and everything worked perfectly as planned. So that was a pretty good surprise from Comcast. I know it's not the best internet service out there, but first impressions up to now, it's not as bad as it seems to be on the reviews online. If you're wondering what's the little video light I'm using right now, because there's not much lighting around the apartment right now, so that's definitely one thing I'm gonna have to buy. It's a little light that I received from a company called Sunmark. I did a review of one of the lenses for phone before, but they sent me these little lights and I was kind of surprised because I took it out today. I got it a few weeks ago, but didn't test it out before. And it's actually really bright. So right now it's only at 12%, but if I bring it up to 100, let me check this out. So if I go here and go up, like it gets crazy bright. So the review of this light is going to be coming a little bit later, but yeah, that's something for another video if you're interested in that. For the people that weren't interested at all about that, sorry about talking about it. Let's see what. Okay, so I got the first part of my furniture in the car. It was quite hard because I was alone to put it all inside. And now I'm heading back inside of Ikea to get some more stuff. So we got some of our basic stuff. So we have the kitchen tables and things like that. It's pretty sad because most of the stuff we really wanted was out of stock. So we went for second choice for the kitchen table, but we got some pretty nice looking chairs to compensate. And there's also a few other stuff that are missing. So like the sofa, we're gonna have to come back tomorrow to get it. So it's just been a little bit hard to get the things we wanted at Ikea because everything seems to be out of stock right now, which is a little bit annoying. But overall, I'm still excited because we already have some of the furniture that is a must-have to get started. So we're gonna go back, get a little bit more stuff, and then we're leaving back home and we're gonna start building it all up. This sofa wasn't available everywhere online or in store, but we found it in the as-is section. So now I have to take it all apart before being able to bring it back home. But at least I'm gonna have a sofa ready for the next few weeks to be able to sleep with something better than an air mattress. Okay, so welcome to a little tour of my apartment. So if we come inside right here, we get in right inside of here. And once we get in, we have a nice open space right here. So right now there's no furniture. We bought some today, but we're going to be putting it a little bit later in today. So first of all, we're going to have the kitchen table and things like that in this corner. I have my kitchen that is right here. Now if we turn on the other side, I have a little balcony that is pretty nice right here, so I can go outside if I want. And here's going to be my living room with my TV and things like that. And I want to try to make everything look pretty good around here because I'm probably going to be using this space with the living room and also the kitchen to be able to film some videos in the future. Then if you look up, there's a nice little stair that goes up here. And there's also a part at the top of the apartment here. So that we're going to go there in an instant. But yeah, everything here should be looking pretty good to make sure that I can film some videos around here. Now, if we go up the stairs, this is the cool part of this apartment. And the reason why I really was happy when I found it, it was really a rare find. And it was actually a pretty good price for the size of the apartment. So I was really happy when I found it because now that we're at the top of the apartment here, so here I went up the stairs, there's actually a nice little space up here. There's a lot of natural light coming in from the top here, which might not be the best for the videos, but whatever. This space right here is going to be, so right now I have an air mattress, that's where I'm sleeping, but it's going to be my desk that's going to be right here. and I'm also gonna have a few other furniture, probably a sofa around here. But space is gonna be my desk space where I'm gonna be editing the videos, working on the videos, filming the videos. But it's also gonna be my small little YouTube studio right here. So this is gonna be my space to really create some videos and have a nice little space that is dedicated for that. So I'm pretty excited to be able to build that in the next few weeks and next few months, and really create a space where I can really quickly create some videos and still have a nice space where I have lighting and things like that that are all thought through and that make it really easy to create some videos faster and that are better quality in the end. So I'm really excited to share all of this. So I'm probably gonna wrap up this video to this point. I did get some other furniture from Ikea that I have to bring up and start building, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about this idea of creating a studio inside of your own apartment in my video vlog that I'm going to be filming in the next few days. So we're definitely going to talk about that a little bit more later. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button below and definitely subscribe for more content. I don't think you can really see, but right behind me here, I have another van full of stuff that I have to bring up. This is actually going to be quite hard because they're pretty heavy furniture that we bought today at Ikea. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's already almost 9 p.m. so I have to do it because tomorrow we're going back to buy even more furniture. So I'm just gonna have to do it. Let's do it.